Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we're checking out this Link LB20 cargo van ramp. We have this mounted in our Ford Transit van with a mid-roof. This particular LB20 ramp is 47 inches wide and 99 inches long to help get you in and out of the vehicle using wheels or other things to help keep it simple going in and out and not having to do the steps. To open this cargo van ramp, it's very easy. All you're doing is using these clasps, popping those off, getting them out of the way. They have one on each side to keep it safe and secure while traveling. And then you just grab hold of one of these handles, you're gonna bring it down, set it on the wheels, and roll it the rest of the way out. This particular LB20 model has a 1,500 pound capacity for anything on top of the ramp going in and out of it. It mounts right here to the rear of the vehicle, keeping it out of the way. When it is stored, it takes a very minimal footprint and gives you plenty of cargo space still in your vehicle. When you're all done with your ramp, all you have to do is come down, grab the handle, and slide it up. One of the easiest to deploy as well as stow away ramps because of these gas struts on either side, only having to use about 40 to 50 pounds of pressure to open and close. Then make sure you're using the clasps to secure it back in place. And you're ready to roll. For more cargo van equipment like the LB20, you should check out upfitsupply.com.